In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Gmail on a laptop quickly and easily. If you're using a shared computer, switching accounts, or just want to make sure your email is signed out properly, this is the fastest way to do it. The process only takes a few seconds, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along with confidence. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Gmail in your web browser on your laptop. You can go directly to mail.google.com or open it from your bookmarks if you already have it saved. Once Gmail loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your profile picture or your account initials inside a circle. This is the menu you need to access to sign out. Click on your profile picture and the small account panel will open. In this panel, you may see your current Google account name, email address, and any other accounts that are signed in on the same browser. Now look for the sign out button. On some accounts, it may also say sign out of all accounts if you're using more than one Google account at the same time. Click sign out and Gmail will immediately log you out of that account. If you had multiple accounts connected, just make sure you're signing out of the one you want removed from the laptop. After that, the Gmail page will refresh and bring you back to the sign-in screen. That means the account has been successfully logged out. If you want to be extra careful, you can also close the browser tab or the entire browser window after signing out, especially if this is a public or shared device. And that's it. You now know how to log out of Gmail on a laptop in just a few simple clicks. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my next tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.